Setting up the Quickr plugin for Ephox is really simple. First thing I do is I go to sourceforge.net/projects/sample sites and download the plugin. This is an open source project, so by all means, please contribute to additional functionality. So the first thing I want to do is I'm going to download it. I'm going to save it to my hard drive here. And now all I have to do is open it up and extract it to my portal server. So let me go and open up a directory to my portal server. Here I have a mapped drive to the WCM authoring UI's WAR file. And all I have to do is drop it right in line into the WAR here. So I just copy this JSP directory and drop it right in. And now if I drill down into here, I'll notice that I have a Quickr plugin directory. Now, of course, this prereqs edit live, Ephox edit live for Java, and WCM. So now I have the Quickr plugin directory here. And for the menu to actually show up within the Ephox editor, I need to actually modify the ELJ config file. So the one I'm actually using is the 3 here. And here I have it open. And I'm going to do a search for the insert menu menu item. So I want to put it into the insert menu drop down list here. And what I'm going to do is I have to add in a little bit of XML here to define the plugin. And to find that, it's really simple. I just go back to my SourceForge project here. And I go over to the wiki and I go to the wiki home here. And I have a little instruction guide for how you can add in the custom menu item into the ELJ config. So I'm just going to grab this, and you'll notice that the image URL is pointing to my demo server. So you'll just need to change that to your server. So all I do is go back over here, and I'm just going to drop that right in line here. I'm going to save that out. Then the next thing that I have to do is I need to touch the edit live Java JSP so that it knows that my plugin is now available to it. So all I have to do is come over here and edit this file. All I have to do is just add something and delete it and save it out. So here I am within my portal server. I haven't refreshed the browser yet, so I'll notice that I have my my menu here, and I don't have a link here. So now, if I refresh the screen, so let me go ahead and just refresh that. I should now get a drop down in my insert menu here. So now I see insert Quickr link. But before I click on that, I need to configure which Quickr library I'm actually going to send links or get links from. So the first thing I do is I go to my Quickr server, and here I've got a couple places. I'm going to choose the portal team one here. Now I'm going to drill down to the library. And really I can drill down to any folder that I want, but I want to take the high level one so that I can see all the folders. So all I have to do is grab the URL and copy it and come back over here and configure the authoring template to see this library. So there's a couple ways I can do that. I can either go into the authoring template and choose my authoring template and edit the rich text editor field on here. So within the properties for details, I can actually add in !Quickr lib equals, and then I'm going to drop in that URL. So just paste it right in. Now I can do that here within the authoring template, or I can do it for all of the users within the configure view, or I can do it for everything or for specific users in the edit shared settings. So instead of doing it here within the authoring template, since I have an item already open, I'm going to go into the edit shared settings and add it there. So I just come on in. me just make sure that that was saved there. Okay. And now if I come back over here, instead of having to reapply my authoring template as I would have had to within the if I modified the product authoring template, now it's actually using the edit shared settings. So now I can click on edit and I can do whatever typing I want to do. And now I can click on insert, Quickr link, and now I have my folder structures within here.